This is why you need to know about lightning. It's bright, it's loud, and it's super cool. Let's dive into it. Inside a storm cloud, there are millions of tiny electric charges. Positive charges, up top, and negative charges down below don't like to be apart for too long. The difference between them gets so big that eventually, bam! A giant spark jumps across the sky to even things out, and that's lightning. Lightning is so powerful that it instantly heats up the air around it to super hot temperatures. This causes a shock wave that we hear as a loud boom. That's thunder. Did you know that lightning is actually hotter than the surface of the sun? But here's a mystery for you. Sometimes lightning strikes in surprising places, like above volcanoes. Scientists still aren't sure exactly what causes these volcanic electrical storms. Could it be the ash particles rubbing together? Or something even more mysterious? Did you know that there are over 1 billion lightning strikes on Earth every year? That's about 100 strikes every single second. So next time you see lightning, remember all the cool science behind it. And who knows, maybe one day you'll help solve the mysteries of lightning in volcanoes.